Hello everybody, it's been a while, but I'm back at it. I'm 10 minutes at the train tracks, and it's night edition, and I'm also at the Corson subdivision. Normally I'm at the Marshall, but tonight I'm at the Corson sub. Gonna chat with you a little bit, and I'll show the train that's in town, that's gonna come by here, so enjoy. So as you can see, he's right there. Since there's no car coming, I will go to the road. Just gotta make sure though. I'm not 100% sure. Well, I'm at the famous incandescent light railroad crossing, as you can see tonight for my 10 minutes. There is the train. He's right down there. Now you get an idea. This will be my very first video ever on the Corson subdivision. Going 10 minutes. The train is taking a sweet old time. I don't know what he's doing, but he's right there, as you can see. So if I cross the tracks, since there's no car coming, I might as well, right? So this crossing here is a General Signals Type 2 E-Bell. It's this very low pitch one. I like the high pitch ones better though, they're really nice. Well, you get an idea, that's light. And you can see there's a light here right above the railroad box. There's a little power wire that's hooked up to it, which makes it work. Nothing's coming. All we got is this train right here right now. I don't know what he's doing, but he's taking forever. And I'm freezing. I have no socks on, and it's like 20 degrees out here. The train is sure taking a sweet old time, but yeah, he's moving right now. As you can see, he's on his way right now, but he's most likely gonna back up again. You can see him, I'm not sure how well. Very sorry about the shaking. Just freezing right now. It's not very nice out. I have been sick the past couple days, so I haven't been able to come out here and do a video for y'all. So I'm very sorry about that for the inconvenience. He's moving forward again. So you get to see a train on this 10-minute train track video. If he comes out of that spot and gets moving. There is a school bus. There must have been some game or something. I am not sure where or when or who they played. Well, as you can see, the light is getting brighter. He's getting as he gets closer. There you go. He's right there. He stopped again. I don't know what he's doing, but it's taking forever. Remember how I said he was going to back up? Well, he's not. He's moving forward again. Probably getting the rest of the engines off that siding down there. Just in case the light comes on, I'm going to pan the camera towards those. Just in case. You never know what you're going to expect. He's still moving forward, so I think they're going to turn on. And he just stopped again. Most likely he got all the engines off the siding. So he's gonna have to back up again and go pick the guys up. Cause there was like, I'd say there was like 8 engines parked over there, so he had to get them off that siding. So he did that real quick. Now I think he just flipped the switch back, and now he's gonna back up and go pick the guy up. Then he's gonna go here and go pick his cars up that he left over on the curb. A lot of traffic. Let's just spin in the van. I'll find the camera here. And it's moving forward again. And there go the lights. Look at that! I'm not sure if the camera picked that up, but he's really smoking. Check that out, right there. I'm not sure if he's on fire or if he's just burning too much fuel, but that's a lot of smoke. Thankfully, the wind is blowing to the west, so I ain't gonna have to smell it. I don't mind the smell of diesel, but thankfully it's blowing west. There you have, he's right there, as you can see. And he's still smoking as he moves that way. You can see some of his smoke already that he just left. What? Wow, I've never seen a train smoke that much. Check that out. But that's just part of the older engines. They smoke more than the newer ones do. So I'm sure you know that. Wow, there was another guy waiting over there for this whole time for him to hook up. I did not know that. Well, I am 8 minutes in, so I got 2 more minutes to be on air. I call it, even though it's not a live stream, it's a video. But I'll slow the train real quick, a little more, and I'll talk about the finishing things I'm gonna say, and then I'm gonna quit it and call it a night. Well, look at him just smoke away over there. That's a lot. Sorry about me facing this way, but actually I really need to anyway so you can see the train. He's right there. He just hit his light on now. You just saw that. I have the middle of the camera right on that light right there right now. Of the train. He's really smoking. I'm not sure how well you're able to see that, but he's really smoking. You might at least see him hook up. We don't know for sure though, but we'll see. So you can see him right there. So this was the very first night edition 10 minutes I've done. Less than a minute left. I don't think I'll be able to show it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Nope, most likely not, but you will see him just a little bit more. Now you get an idea what that's like. Well, the only reason I haven't been doing these videos is because I've been very, very busy, so I haven't been able to go 10 minutes at the tracks. Yeah, there you go. And I hear another train just behind me to the north, but he's gonna have to stop up by the park because this train's on the curve blocking his track. Yeah, you get an idea. There you go. The camera most likely didn't pick up the horn, but yeah, that's what you get for tonight's 10-minute video. So you got to see quite a bit. But anyway, I gotta get home. It's freezing. I hope you enjoyed this first night edition of 10 Minutes of Tracks. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Bye.